we are here again. As I was saying from that previous video, I said the place that looks like an arrow, click on it. So you see transform, click on the place that looks like arrow in front of the transform too. Just follow my cursor. So you can see these 5 things there. You see anchor point, position, scale, rotation, opacity. Now what I want to explain now is this. These are like the major things that will help you determine how you want anything you have on your animation to be showing, how you want it to move, what you want it to do. It's like the 5 basic manipulations that you can. Now there are other basic manipulations, but when it comes in terms of movement or how you want your will I call it the 5 foundations, the 5 basic animation movements or effects that you can apply to any image or any structure or any video at all. So this position now, you might be asking, so what does it particularly do? What does this my position do? Now what this position does is that at every point it wants to tell you where. Okay, let me tell you for this aeroplane now. Just carry this aeroplane. Once you touch it like this, to start moving. So you can see the way, if I move it to the right, look at the position. You can see the way the position too is moving. Let me move it again. You see that the position is moving. You can see. So it's trying to tell us at every point that this thing is moving on. Now let's make it to move like full time, as if it's moving. Let's give it some sort of effect now. So move this aeroplane to this place. Once you move it, the next thing you do is click on this. What I click on now is what they call keyframe. Keyframe is what will tell the aeroplane that, okay, in my video at 1 second, move like this. At second 2, this is where it should be. At second 3, this is where it should be. So now I've clicked a keyframe, so you can see this thing showing here. Now move this aeroplane. Move this one. Oh, let me move it back. Let me go back. The way I moved it now, let me click on edit. Let me undo change. Edit, undo, change, undo. So I've removed everything. Let me start afresh. Click on position again. So this is where I want it to start from. Then move this. This is what I'm supposed to move first. Move this thing first. I'm moving it to 2 seconds now. Now move this. At 4 seconds, I'm moving it again. At 6 seconds, I'm moving it again. At 8 seconds, I'm moving it again. We're trying to create a movement. 10 seconds. Let's move it again. 12. Let's move. 14 seconds. Give it a movement. 16 seconds. Let it go out. So now let's see the movement that we have created. Let me start from the beginning. So you can see now how the reason why it's still playing is because this entire